Hi everyone, welcome to Heal and Grow with Nickie. I'm Nickie, nice to meet you. Today we're going to talk about what is Heal and Grow with Nickie. Let's go! Heal and Grow with Nickie is my new business in which I can help you with your self-care, your self-healing, and your self-development. And there are 3 ways in which I could do that. The first is through social media content. Here on YouTube, I will be posting a video once a week, and that video will be just a short little nugget of time where you can learn how to help yourself right now on your own. So some examples of videos might be breathing exercises, meditations, affirmations, anything like that that you can do on your own. I also post daily on my Instagram page and daily on my Facebook page. So all 3 of those platforms are ready and available for you to use anytime that you want. The second thing that I could do with Heal and Grow is one-to-one self-care coaching. I think that you deserve to feel better. And I know that the word self-care has a lot of thoughts and meanings associated with it. I think that your needs need to be put first, or at least higher up on your current priorities list, and I can help you do that. With one-on-one self-care coaching, I can help you identify areas in which you need some growth work, and then we'll take it step by step until you start to feel better. When you feel well, the people around you feel well. Self-care is not selfish. In fact, I think it's vital. So I would love to be able to help you identify your self-care needs and goals and get you there. The third thing that I'm offering through Heal and Grow is small group classes. They will be designed around a theme. So my first class, Everyday Gratitude, is already up and running, and you can find it on Eventbrite. Everyday Gratitude is about just small ways that you can incorporate gratitude into your daily life and how to actually keep those habits. I'm also working on a class about imposter syndrome. I'm also working on a class about limiting beliefs. And my goal is to have weekly classes ready for you to go. So that's it. 1, 2, 3 ways in which I can help you through Heal and Grow with Nickie. I'm also hoping to do a speaker series if possible. I'm also writing a second book. So I'm hoping I'll be able to launch some online courses that might be helpful for you too. At Heal and Grow with Nickie, I'm here to listen, affirm, and support you. I'm here to guide you and coach you and even collaborate with you on ways that you and even I can start to feel a little bit better and to put our own health first. Heal and Grow is for you. I hope that you'll join me. Thank you so much.